Okay, it's snowblower season, and here's a quick thing for you. You've probably been here before, breaking your pull start cord, and then you take this off only to find that this is kind of a deal. I think what I'm going to do is try to get this piece off, and then turn this around where I can, maybe get the string to come through and retie it without having to buy a new wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some tools and try to get this thing out. Alright, so I've just got these small pair of pliers, and this seems like this is plenty enough to hold on to. Yeah, you can just pull this up. It's much easier if I have two hands, but you can see that just pulls right up. So with a little more leverage on these long-handled vice grips, I pulled off the little piece. You don't really need that. That's just to stop you from doing repairs, so you have to spend another 20 bucks and buy their part. So the next thing we have to do is figure out how much twist, you know, these are going to pull the cord back in, so we have to figure out how much cordage you know, we're going to need to trim and do this. So I'm going to try to figure out how to do that without doing any math. I think it's probably about 4 rotations to get this whole thing back in. The first thing is to trim this, burn the end so it's clean. We're going to stick this back through here, tie it off, and hopefully we'll be good. Okay, so this is going to be about 4 rotations, so I'm going to get it to where the cord is about here, and then I'm going to go ahead and rotate it 4 times and then hold it in place. So let's see what we got here. So let's say 1, there it is, 2, there it is, 3, there it is, and then 4. So now we're here, and I'm going to put something between these pins to stop it from rotating back. So there's a pencil in between. There you go. Now you've got the old string here, cord to get through. There's it. That's that. Then we're just going to take this piece, cut it nicely, and then singe the end. Okay. Really roll on it so it's pointy. Take our pointy string, get that whole line right back up, going in there. And then you got it through. There you go. See, it just poked through. Okay, it's through, and we've got that set. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is tie this off real quick and just make sure that it is the right length, that I have the right amount of turns. Like that. Okay, got a knot on there. Pull this back through, and then we'll see if this recoils the proper amount. A little bit tighter. Let's make it a little tighter. Just need a little more. Can we bring it back? Pull the cord out a little more. Tie your knot up a little more. Another inch or so. Let's see how that does. Bring it back. Tighten it up again. There we go. That's good. Good enough for me. Once that's in there, let's try it out. At least I can get back to snowblowing today. So there you go. Save yourself 20 bucks and get back to work. Just for reference, this is a Snow King snowblower with a Tecumseh pull start thing here. There's this little sheet metal screw. There's a sheet metal screw here and here, and then these just go back on place. And call it a day. Let's go finish our job.